Hi everyone, so we're going to see here how to punch in your hours on ADP app. So please mark that it's really important to enter your hours daily. So once you're logged in on the app, go to time card. So here you can see current period, next one, and the previous one. So here you can see Friday 19th, it's blue, it's the current day. So you go to add entry. Here basically what we use is just in entry and out time. For pay code and out type, no need to put anything on them. The department is automatically on number 4. So if not, just put number 4 on it. So let's take an example of a regular shift. Here we start at 9:15, and here we add 5 hours to 9:15. I'm gonna explain why. So 14, 15. So here we're gonna add a new entry. So from 2:15 we're gonna add 30 minutes. So this 30 minutes is the half of the break that you're not paid for. So in time 14:45, and out time it's going to be the time that you came back to the office. Let's say 18. That's it, we're done. Save. You check if everything is correct here. You save and you double check here if it's all good. Thank you very much.